What are you doing, douchebag? Huh, douchebag? How'd you get up? Huh? So I'm up really early, and I obviously haven't taken a shower yet. 7:30 is the time I woke up. And I went to bed like close to midnight, so... Actually, I think I woke up at like 7:10. I didn't want to only get 7 hours of sleep, but it happened, so that sucks. Because I wanted to get a good 8 hours of sleep. Now I have to wait like, right now, like 6.5, 7 hours until we go pick up the hard drive. So it's a real long time from now. Okay. It's a really long time from now, so yeah. Despite me being up this early, the vlog is probably still gonna be up at like 5 p.m. So yeah, that's how it goes. Also, going fat kid style again with some blood sugar raising stuff early in the day. It's my first meal of the day.
He actually hooked fish and got pulled down to her knees and dragged down to the water's edge. And by some luck, the line broke.
What could be the worst possible thing that could happen with this kind of fishing?
We could die.
What?
Little things.
Yeah, that's what I said was pretty easy. Took the tab off too that was on there.
In Australia and South Africa.
Stick it in there.
Mostly this was from a
Good
boat
to go.
which can follow a hooked fish.
Screw it back up.
Fishing from land is something altogether.
Let's see if this was... Pop this screw back through. There it goes.
It's gonna be us right there.
Huh?
Pounding our rod holders into the sand.
Yeah.
Holes in there. Put the jingle bells on. Sit there and wait. Something divide it.
Okay. Let's see if I can get that back in.
That was a little boat.
Okay, now put the cover back on it.
Now you gotta go get the disc though, right? Put everything back on it or else it's gonna boot up.
Disc might be in there already, I don't know. From whenever I tried to repair it last time. This is a software issue, but I put everything back in there.
Charged?
I think so. If not, go get the charger.
You do charge it?
No, I'm checking the battery meter. Yeah, I don't think it's charged.
Oh.
Must have lost charge while it was turned off. Sometimes the battery meter doesn't even come on though if it's been off for a long time.
What you up to, Zoobers the Goobers? Huh? I love this guy. I love him. I love this guy.
Okay, get that one in.
Yeah. What? Gotta rub your
This
eyes?
one.
Does that hurt you? I saw.
It's been a long time without a laptop. Said it's been a long time without a laptop. Since what? December on the 18th, I think.
Is that why, bro?
Yeah, it's right before we left for Oklahoma.
Oh, yeah.
Because I was real mad about it. Trying to fix it and I couldn't. Okay. And the final screw. can get it in there. Sideways. I just came inside. It's hot out. Ah, come on. Come on. Live. 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 Oh? It lives. What? Huh? Yeah, the intro just came up.
Alright, we'll see you in a bit.
US. US. Do not transfer. I don't have anything. And connect to our Wi-Fi. Because we're going to need that because I get to update all the way to Mavericks now. Yay. And my Apple ID. See, this is how Apple got all that information on their site on the 30th anniversary thing. Like, what they used our computer for. What they used this model for. Well, this is video and film. And it's having me, like, re-register my whole entire thing. Because it's supposed to be new. Oh, it's crazy. There's my face. Yeah, okay. That's the face I decided on. What you doing on my computer? Punk. Oh man, if airdrop wasn't a thing, I wouldn't care. But you know what? I still don't care. Because airdrop, you get to see their faces. Oh? It lives! Yes! Look at that old dock. So yeah, there it is. Install macOS. Yeah, we don't need that. Starting from scratch. Yep. It's been a while since I've seen you, Snow Leopard. You and all your beautifulness. Well, time to update to Mavericks. Bye. So I guess while that's going, I can do this. Bonk. Bonk. Thanks, man. Oh, no problem. Check if. Well, I already kind of installed or downloaded the update, so whatever. Whether you like it or not, it's happening. I gotta go to the downloads. Okay, yeah, there's Firefox. 4 minutes. 4 minutes for 40 megabytes? Come on. Oh, okay, it's picking up speed. There it goes. So I'm hoping that the Mavericks update isn't going to take like 20 years to download. Never done a Mac OS update in I don't think I've done a Mac OS update since I since I got the faster internet in Alaska. So yeah, the last Mac update I did, I had 5 megabit download speed. That was in like the summer of 2012. I didn't upgrade internet until that school year started. So now I have 10 times faster than the internet. So hopefully it can get Mavericks done real fast, downloading wise. But hopefully it, I don't know. Then all I have to do is wait for the installation time, which usually sucks. I just had to wait 30 minutes for snow leopard, so I might have to go back outside for another like 30 minutes and just shoot, which is alright because the sun's going down now. The sun was in my face the whole time. It's awful. Wow, that only took like 40 seconds to install, and like maybe 20 minutes probably to download. 20-25 minutes, that's pretty good. Okay, never mind. Well, Spotify won't download for some reason, and it sucks. But I'm getting everything back on here. I got Mavericks on here now, so that's pretty cool. Gonna replace Spotify probably with iTunes. So yeah, but it's like, it's being so slow. It's so stupid. So that sucks. I really want Spotify on here though. And then yeah, everything's kind of clean. And we see here we have a ton of space still, which is awesome. So everything's back to normal on the MacBook. Just having to get everything, all my defaults and all my programs back that I liked. So, but we got Final Cut Pro now, so I can do the vlogs on the MacBook. It'll be good whenever we go to Biloxi. So, yeah, that would be pretty cool. It feels so good to have a MacBook again. I'm just sitting here relaxing. It feels so good. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little something. Get my wallet out. Bam! Got the card for the membership so I can go all out at the youth center. So, I guess it's a Boys and Girls Club, I didn't know that. But, yeah. I'm gonna be, hooping in there, I guess. But the thing that sucks is it's only open on Tuesdays through Saturdays 3 through 8. That sucks. And then Saturday 3 through 10, which I would think the whole entire thing would be open. Like, yeah, because someone's got to be there to watch the kids, you know, because they obviously have you know, daycare and stuff like that, and they watch kids that have morning classes, because, you know, some kids in kindergarten, they have morning and afternoon classes, you know, one of those two. So you would think that they would be watching the kids that have the afternoon classes and stuff like that. So I don't know if I should go there tomorrow, like at 12, and see if they'll let me in the gym, if they'll unlock it for me, because it's like connected to the thing pretty much. So I don't know. I guess I can just go in there and they'll be like, "Should you be at school?" I'll be like, "Nope, homeschooled. Can I go in the gym and go play? Go get an open gym and stuff?" That'd be cool. They'd be like, "Yeah, man, sure. Come on in here." I'd be like, "Yes." But I don't know. I might call them tomorrow and find out. So, yeah. So there's a lunar eclipse happening. Should peak around like 20 minutes from now. Cool. I'm gonna go to bed now. It's 2 in the morning, so now my sleep schedule is a little bit more tolerant, but I can't really mess it up once. I mean, like, if I would have went to bed around 11:30 or so, I could spare a few hours of sleep, but 2, I mean, if I sleep for 10 hours, there's 12 o'clock right there. 12 hours is 2, so hopefully I get some good sleep, and hopefully I get some good sleep and go to the thing tomorrow, show you guys around. I recorded a ton today. Just crazy. So, the vlog's probably not 15 minutes. I think I'm going to speed up the screw part of me screwing the MacBook out and everything like that. So, yeah. But I'm going to go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.